we offer our investor clients a feature that may interest the most enthusiastic among you. To help you share the opportunity of our staking solutions, we suggest you use a referral link present on your seed account. Thanks to this link, your acquaintances, friends, or contacts will have the opportunity to register in turn and enjoy the benefits of the seed platform. As a reward, we pay you as a bonus 5% in USDT of the value of the deposits of affiliate members in the event of activation of a staking plan. To share your referral link, simply go to the Referrals tab from the menu, always on the left of your screen. On this screen, several information are displayed. Your active affiliates appear at the top in the Network section. Your commissions collected on the right of the screen. A Withdraw button to pay your bonus to a deposit address of your choice, ERC20 network. And above all, an Invite button, allowing you here to display the invitation link that you can send to your contacts with a Copy button. Please note that when registering, your affiliates must make sure to stay on this link until their account is created. Well, we wish you great referrals.